In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Loox subscription on Shopify. If you're simplifying your app stack or switching review tools, this process is quick and happens entirely inside your Shopify admin. Loox is installed as a Shopify app, so cancellation is handled by removing the app from your store. When you uninstall it, Shopify stops the associated subscription automatically. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your store's admin. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, and use a desktop browser for the clearest view. Once you're in the admin, look to the lower left corner of the screen and click Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage core store configurations, including your installed apps. Inside Settings, click Apps. Depending on your Shopify layout, this section may appear as Apps or Apps and Sales Channels, but it's the same place where all your installed apps are listed. Give the page a moment to load, then scan the list to find the Loox app. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top of the apps page to filter by name. If Loox doesn't appear at all, it usually means it's already been removed from the store you're currently viewing. When you see Loox in the list, move your cursor to the right side of that row and click the three dots icon, sometimes labeled as More Actions. From that menu, click Uninstall. Shopify may show a brief confirmation window. Confirm the uninstall, and that's it. The app will be removed from your store, and your Loox subscription will be automatically cancelled through Shopify's billing system. Future charges stop at this point. Any charges already issued follow your normal Shopify billing cycle. A few things to keep in mind. Uninstalling removes the app's functionality and widgets from your storefront, so product review widgets and related features will no longer appear. If you're evaluating alternatives, note your current setup so you can replicate what you need later. If the app still appears for a few seconds after uninstalling, that's normal. Just refresh the page and the list will update. And if you manage staff accounts, ensure you're logged in with permissions to manage apps so you can access this menu. To recap, open the Shopify website, click Settings, click Apps, find Loox, click the three dots, and select Uninstall. That single action cancels your Loox subscription on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your store with confidence.